guys, welcome back to Bakes by Amal. If you're new here, I'm Amal and I was a finalist on Junior Bake Off 2019 and you've stumbled upon my YouTube channel where I show you how to make lots of cakes and sweet treats. Today is a really special video because I'm really honoured to say I've actually been sent a really lovely box of goodies. I can't lift up, so I'm going to leave there. The Baking Company and Also Sprinkles. These are two brands that I have absolutely loved working with over the past few months and I love their products so much. So I'm so grateful that they've actually sent me a box of them. But today I'm making a classic red velvet cupcake. And if you've been following me on my Instagram, you will know that I'm hosting a collab and a live bake along with my fellow Junior Bake Off contestant Zach. And I'll have all his socials and YouTube in the description box below. So make sure to give him a follow and check him out on Instagram because he's so incredible. But together we will be doing a live bake along on the 14th of February at 3 PM and also hosting a collab which you can get involved with by using the hashtag #BakeWithAmal and Zach, and you can make anything Valentine's related. Without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, you will need 125 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams of caster sugar, 135 grams of unsalted and softened butter, 2 large free-range eggs, 8 grams of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of bicarb of soda and salt, and 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. These cupcakes are really simple because you simply dump all the ingredients into a bowl. To start, I've got my self-raising flour, which I'm going to pop into my bowl. Then the caster sugar, the cocoa powder, and the bicarb and salt. And this is all going into a sift. And I'm just going to sift this into my bowl. And I'm also going to pop the butter in and crack in 2 large eggs. And this is all going to go onto the stand mix, which I've got fitted with a paddle attachment, and I'm going to mix this on a medium speed for about 2 minutes. And you want to make sure to scrape down the bowl halfway through with your spatula to get any bits that are stuck at the bottom. I've mixed that for about 2 minutes and you can see it's gone really light and fluffy. And you want to clean down the paddle, make sure no batter's still on there, and scrape down again. And next you want to mix your buttermilk with your red food gel. And one of the most important parts of this recipe is the food gel you use, because you just can't get away with using liquid food colouring because it's just not strong enough. So I highly recommend the Rainbow Dust Pro Gel, and I've just got the concentrated food colour in red, which the Baking Company and Also Sprinkles have so kindly sent me. But any food gel will work. And you want to add quite a large amount because this needs to colour all of your batter. There's probably half a teaspoon in there. And you want to mix this in with your buttermilk. And I've got 2 tablespoons of buttermilk here. And now I'm going to add this into my mixture. And you want to pop this back onto the stand mix and mix it for a further minute. And once that's completely mixed in, you should be left with this really nice red batter. So I've got my cupcake tray here, and this batter is enough to make 12 cupcakes. And I'm just going to start distributing my cupcake cases. And I'm going to use 2 spoons to distribute my batter between my cupcake cases. And now these will go into the oven for 20 to 22 minutes at 170 degrees fan. So my cupcakes have come out of the oven and they're cooling in the fridge right now. And I've also gone ahead and made a batch of my buttercream. Again, I'll link the video down below and have the quantities. But I'm going to split this into 2 bowls and do 3 colours. It's just going to be white. I'm going to do a pink. And I'm also going to do a red. So this is just some pink food gel by the Rainbow Dust Company. It's a concentrated food colour as per usual. And these are my 3 colours. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer them to a piping bag. I've taken my cupcakes out of the fridge and they've completely cooled down, and you can see the tops remain really nice and flat, which is going to be really nice to ice. And I've also transferred my piping and my buttercream into 4 piping bags. So I've got the Wilton 8B, a random nozzle I found, but it's just, I'll try and link something similar down below. The Wilton 104 and the Wilton 1M. And now I'm just going to get piping.
And it goes a little something like
cupcakes off, I'm going to use the beautiful sprinkles, and I'm just going to pop them on top so you can see I've got the heart ones here. They look really beautiful, and I'm just going to start topping my cupcakes off with them. And that brings me to the end of my red velvet bits and bobs that the baking company and Also Sprinkles has so kindly gifted me. And again, you make sure to use the discount code amal when checking out to get 10% off your order. And all the website links for the baking company and Also Sprinkles will be in the description box below. Again, another huge thank you to Also Sprinkles and the baking company for sending me all these lovely bits to make these red velvet cupcakes. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell and give this video a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching.